Struggling to find the perfect gaming PC under $1,000? With so many options out there, it's easy to feel lost trying to balance performance, speed, and budget. We get it, which is why we've done the heavy lifting for you. After testing and reviewing numerous systems, we've narrowed it down to the top 5 best gaming PCs. In this video, we'll highlight their key features and what you need to consider to choose the best one for your gaming needs. Let's dive into our list of the very best. Also, you can check the pricing for any of these products in the description below. Now let's get started. Number 5. MXZ Gaming PC. The MXZ Gaming PC is a capable and efficient system designed for gamers who demand performance and reliability. Powered by a 12th Gen Intel Core i5-12400F processor, which features 6 cores and 12 threads, this PC offers a base clock speed of 2.9 GHz and can boost up to 4.4 GHz. This makes it well suited for handling modern games and multitasking with ease. The NVIDIA RTX 4060 graphics card with 8 GB of dedicated memory ensures smooth and detailed visuals across a wide range of games. Whether you're exploring open-world environments in Grand Theft Auto 5 or competing in fast-paced titles like Apex Legends and Fortnite, this setup provides the necessary power to maintain high frame rates and quality settings. The MXZ i2 is equipped with 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, which offers sufficient memory for gaming, streaming, and other demanding tasks. The 500 GB NVMe M.2 SSD provides fast storage, allowing for quick boot times and swift loading of games and applications. This combination of memory and storage ensures that the system can handle large files and complex games without slowdown. Connectivity options include 5 USB 3.2 Gen 1 ports and 4 USB 2.0 ports, along with an RJ45 Ethernet port and 7.1 channel audio support. The PCIe Wi-Fi card ensures stable wireless connectivity, and the system's windowed side panel and 6 RGB fans add a stylish touch while maximizing airflow and cooling. Overall, it's a well-rounded choice for gamers looking for a reliable, mid-range gaming PC that can handle a variety of popular titles with ease. Number 4. Thermaltake Glacier 360. The Thermaltake Glacier 360 liquid-cooled PC offers a well-rounded gaming experience blending performance with aesthetics. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 5 5600X CPU and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060, this setup is more than capable of handling modern games at high settings, offering smooth gameplay and decent frame rates. The inclusion of 16 GB tough RAM DDR4 RGB memory running at 3600 MHz ensures that multitasking and memory-intensive applications run without a hitch. One standout feature is the closed-loop liquid cooling system with a 240mm radiator, which keeps the CPU temperatures in check, even during extended gaming sessions. The 3 ARGB fans, paired with additional front-mounted fans, not only provide excellent airflow, but also enhance the visual appeal of the system with customizable lighting. The 1TB NVMe M.2 SSD delivers impressive read/write speeds, significantly reducing load times and ensuring a snappy overall experience. The swing door tempered glass with magnetic mounting is a thoughtful touch, allowing for easy access to the internals, whether you're upgrading or just showcasing your build. As for USB ports, the top of the case includes one USB 3.0 port and 2 USB 2.0 ports, along with a headphone and microphone jack. This setup is fairly standard in the industry. Overall, the Thermaltake Glacier 360 is a solid choice for gamers seeking a balance between performance, cooling, and aesthetics. Number 3. iBuyPower SlateMesh Gaming PC. The iBuyPower Gaming PC is a compelling choice for gamers seeking a robust setup under $1,000. At the heart of this machine is the AMD Ryzen 5 7600 CPU, clocked at 3.8 GHz, offering reliable performance for both casual and demanding games. Paired with the GeForce RTX 4060 graphics card, which boasts 8 GB of dedicated memory, this PC delivers smooth, high-quality visuals. Whether you're diving into the latest AAA titles or enjoying your favorite esports games, this combination ensures a satisfying gaming experience with minimal lag and crisp graphics. For those who value speed, the iBuyPower Gaming PC includes 16 GB of DDR5 5200 MHz RGB RAM, ensuring that multitasking and running memory-intensive games or applications are seamless. The 500 GB NVMe SSD provides ample storage for your game library, along with rapid load times that get you into your games faster. Gaming peripherals often make or break the experience, and this setup doesn't disappoint. The PC comes comes housed in a tempered glass RGB gaming case, which not only looks striking with its 16-color RGB lighting, but also keeps your components cool during intense gaming sessions. Additionally, the inclusion of a free RGB gaming keyboard and mouse complements the system, enhancing your overall gaming setup without the need for extra purchases. Connectivity options are also gamer-friendly, with 6 USB 3.1 ports, making it easy to connect all your devices, from controllers to VR headsets. The onboard audio is solid, and the system supports 802.11 AC Wi-Fi, ensuring stable online gaming. In brief, for gamers looking to get the most out of their budget, this PC is a well-rounded option that delivers solid gaming performance at an affordable price. Number 2. HP Victus. The HP Victus Gaming PC is a solid option for gamers looking for a reliable and high-performance system under $1,000. It is powered by the Intel Core i5-13400 processor, which features 10 cores and 16 threads, offering a base frequency of 1.80 GHz and the ability to turbo boost up to 4.6 GHz. This makes it well equipped to handle the demands of modern gaming, ensuring smooth performance even during intense gameplay. Complementing the powerful processor is the GeForce RTX 4060 graphics card with 8 GB of GDDR6X dedicated memory. This combination provides excellent graphics performance, allowing you to enjoy visually stunning games with high frame rates. Whether you're diving into the latest AAA titles or playing competitive esports, this system is designed to deliver a high-quality gaming experience. The gaming PC also includes 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, running at 3200 MHz, which is sufficient for multitasking and running resource-heavy applications without a hitch. In terms of connectivity, this gaming PC offers a range of options, including 4 super-speed USB Type-A ports, 1 super-speed USB Type-C port, 4 USB Type-A 2.0 ports, an HDMI port, and 3 display ports, making it easy to connect all your gaming peripherals and displays. The PC runs on Windows 11 Home, offering a modern and efficient platform for both gaming and everyday use. Weighing in at 22 pounds and featuring a compact design, it fits well in most gaming setups. All in all, the HP Victus Gaming PC is a well-rounded system that delivers strong gaming performance, ample storage, and reliable connectivity, making it a great choice for gamers who need a powerful machine. Number 1. Skytech Nebula. The Skytech Nebula Gaming PC delivers impressive performance for both gaming and creative tasks, making it a strong contender for gamers and content creators alike. Powered by the Intel Core i5-13400F processor, which can boost up to 4.6 GHz, and paired with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 with 8 GB GDDR6X graphics card, this rig handles demanding games and creative applications with ease. The 16 GB DDR4 RAM ensures smooth multitasking, while the 1 TB NVMe SSD offers lightning-fast load times, significantly outpacing traditional HDDs. With its 4 RGB fans and front mesh design, the Nebula maintains optimal airflow, keeping the system cool even during extended gaming sessions. The inclusion of a free gaming keyboard and mouse is a nice bonus for those looking to complete their setup. On the connectivity front, the PC offers a variety of USB ports and audio options, making it versatile for different peripherals. The absence of bloatware is a welcome touch, ensuring that the system runs efficiently out of the box. For gamers, the Nebula can easily run popular titles like Call of Duty Warzone and Elden Ring at ultra settings with smooth 1080p resolution and over 60 FPS. The RTX 4060 also shines in creative tasks, offering AI acceleration for rendering and video editing. Backed by a 1-year warranty and lifetime technical support, the Skytech Nebula is a reliable and high-performing choice for anyone serious about gaming and content creation. In conclusion, the Skytech Nebula is a great choice for gamers seeking a capable and visually appealing system at a competitive price. In conclusion, finding the best gaming PC under $1,000 can be overwhelming, but this list highlights top options that balance performance, value, and design. The MXZ offers a reliable, mid-range experience, while the Thermaltake Glacier 360 is an excellent choice for gamers who value a blend of strong performance, effective cooling, and stylish design. The iBuyPower Gaming PC provides robust performance for a variety of games, while the HP Victus delivers a strong gaming setup with modern features. Lastly, the Skytech Nebula excels in high-quality visuals and smooth gameplay.